Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to know the components of our PC. Chapter 1. Check PC specs, CPU and GPU. To start, right-click on the Start menu, click on Task Manager. Now in the Performance section, you can see the details of the CPU and GPU used. Afterwards, you can click on the disk to see its details. After that, click on the Start menu, click on Settings. Then in the System section, click on About. You can have access to the details of your PC components. Chapter 2. Check PC specs, motherboard. To get started, in the search box, enter MSInfo32. Click on the utility. After that, in the system summary, you can see the details of the motherboard in the baseboard manufacturer and baseboard product lines. Additionally, in the search box, enter DXDiag. Click on the command. Here you can see details of the baseboard and some extra components. Chapter 3. Check PC specs, RAM memory. The first thing will be to download and install the following app from the link you have in the description. After that, we can open it. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. After this, when the application loads, you can go to the Memory tab and SPD to see all the details of the RAM memory in your PC. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.